नमस्ते। बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को प्यार।
Hello, sir. Lifenturers, it's me, Aaka. Welcome to our channel, and you are watching Aaka's Lifenture. Even though there is lockdown, but don't worry, the dose of entertainment, adventure, and information are never going to stop. So here today, I have this Xbox 360, and I'll share with you how to open this Xbox 360 and how does it look from inside. I won't tell you which part is which because I myself don't know much about the parts and all. So I'll share with you what all I know and we'll see the inside of the Xbox 360. So let the intro roll, guys. To open this, it's a bit tricky, and first of all, there is this point. We have to pull this one, and this one comes out. Out here, this is the place where we can put the hard disks, the memory of the 360, and then this one comes out easily. Here also, we have to just put a little pressure, and this one also comes out. Like this way, and you can take it out. But after that comes the harder part, and this all panel has some kind of internal plastic lock. So I'll open this panel. If it's possible to see, then out here there is this kind of lock, plastic lock, so you have to be careful while opening it. Similarly, this side. After that gets open, let me keep all the parts carefully aside. So I think this should come out. Just have a look at the back side, guys. All the ports and all. This is the place where the adapter goes. I am also taking a careful look today itself. These also have some plastic grooves and all, that's why we have to be very careful while opening. So you can see out here, there's this fan and this lock switch. This cover comes out. This Xbox 360 is spoiled, so that's why I had opened it before itself, very long time ago. I had tried to repair it, but it was beyond my capabilities of repair. And to take this panel out, you have to open this part, this screw and all. Out here there is one screw and you have to take out, but I have just taken it out like that only. So you can see this is the DVD drive of that. This is the fan which keeps it cool, and below this there is the motherboard. Yeah, and this one also comes out. I have to take this lock also. There is some lock out here. And it's attached with a wire out here, so if you force it, this wire may break. So there is a way of opening that wire. It's just a bus cable. So so this wire also comes out, and this panel also is having plastic lock, that's why it comes out. There are screws and all, but I have opened the screws and all, as I've already told. You can take this one also out, and I hope you can see the whole internal section of the Xbox 360. You have to open the screws, then you can take the fan out. This one has small button out here, I'll show you, but I need a smaller one to press it. This one. Okay, I'll see. Wait, I'll get my watch repairing toolkits guy. In that there is a long screw. This one won't work because okay, it came out just like that only. And this wire, you have to take this wire out, and this one also. So guys, this is how an Xbox 360 looks from inside, and this is the hard disk. Now I'll pack it, and I'll show you all guys. So guys, I have packed it, and I packed it only because I feel that this thing, we have used it to gain some knowledge, and after using something we should not leave it as it is. We should also take care of the thing, although it's not working. So I hope you have seen the interiors and got some idea of how it looks from inside and how to open an Xbox 360. It might be helpful to someone. I hope you like the video. So please give me the like and do share my videos guys. It helps us to grow our channel. So please, our request to all of you, just share the videos every time to only 10 people also. That will be very much helpful to us. And do comment if you want to know something about this, and do subscribe to our channel so that our family members increases and I'll get और भी ज़्यादा आप लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and